Hey, horrormaker, have you forgotten about me at all or what? I'm sitting here infected with an ink virus and look like a monster. Oh, Pika, buddy, I really forgot about you. But so many things are going on here. Jim is gone, breaking news wanted to destroy me. Yes, I see, but what should I do? I know how to cure him. Come here, honey. Smell the garlic. The phytoncides found in garlic help with many viruses. So what? Apparently phytoncides don't affect the ink virus. When I was sick with swine flu, they put me in the refrigerator because many viruses are afraid of low temperatures. Well, it's a good idea. I just bought a refrigerator yesterday. Come on, Pika, let's get into the fridge. Let me out soon! I believe that the effect of low temperatures was not too long. You need to increase it with 2 kilos of ice cream. Take it from my belly. I agree, I love ice cream, even if it's from ice cream man's belly. Help! Bring me some hot tea. I seem to be cold. Your cold doesn't work, but let me beat this virus out of it with my bat. Grandma, let's go without extreme. I think a bat won't help here. I know how to heal him. With fear. He needs to be very scared. Pikachu, what are you most afraid of? Me? I'm not afraid of anything. You can't scare me. What if I turn into a train eater? Ah, no, not the train eater. I'm a little afraid of the train. Well, that's great. Now I'll turn into the train. You'll get on it. He'll give you a little ride. Ah, maybe not. Maybe there's some other remedy for the ink virus. The fact of the matter is that no, this is your last chance, Pika. What if he eats me? I will, of course, I will eat you. No, I'm afraid I won't go. So, this is what we need. He's afraid of it. Ah, help, Train Eater! Sit there and be afraid. Oh, disgusting taste. It tastes like ink. Phew, what a nasty thing. Stop poisoning me with ink, or I'll spit you out. Serves you right, you won't scare me. Too terrible, Train Eater. That's disgusting. Pika, it seems we did it. You turned yellow again, like Pikachu. Hooray! Hooray! I have defeated the ink virus. Well, too spooky. Thank you, well done. Yeah, just a little bit of ink. Otherwise, it's alright. Well, don't grumble. I'll buy you gingerbread. Okay, only with apricot filling. 2 kilos. Agreed, Pikachu. Here's money for you. Go to the store for a gingerbread. Yes, my general.